If you've been sleeping on AI, you just missed a power move. In the last 7 days, we've seen tech that can plan, execute, and even think like a junior analyst. From financial agents to one-prompt video creators. This isn't hype, it's happening. So, buckle up, OpenAI launches the ChatGPT agent. First up, OpenAI just flipped the script. Say hello to the ChatGPT agent, a fully autonomous AI that doesn't just talk, it acts. This isn't your average chatbot. This agent can browse the web, fill out spreadsheets, manage your files, book your travel, even send emails on your behalf, all from one command. It's like hiring an intern who never sleeps but with a PhD and zero attitude. Key features: works inside ChatGPT with Pro, Team, or Enterprise plans. Has access to Gmail, Drive, GitHub, and browsers. Can complete real-world tasks across multiple steps. Runs in a secure, isolated environment. Comes with watch mode for user approvals. 400 prompt credits per month. For Pro plan users, it's already rolling out in the US and other countries except Europe. For now, would you trust AI to handle your inbox? Second, Anthropic's Claude gets a finance upgrade. Meanwhile, Anthropic said, what if Claude could handle your Bloomberg terminal? They just launched a new Claude interface built for finance pros. Think analysts, researchers, investors, all using Claude to pull data from Morningstar, PitchBook, and Delupa like it's nothing. Key features: unified dashboard for financial datasets, natural language queries for instant insights, summarizes complex reports, can compare companies, markets, and trends instantly. This is vertical AI, at work customized for one industry and optimized to dominate it. Would you trust an AI with your portfolio? Let's hear your take. Third, Google upgrades YouTube with AI video tools. Now for the creators in the room, Google just gave YouTubers cheat code. They've added Veo and Dream Screen to YouTube Studio. Veo turns simple prompts into full cinematic scenes. Dream Screen generates animated backgrounds out of thin air. Key features: AI script and video generation via Veo, auto-generated thumbnails and topic suggestions. Dream Screen for dynamic visual storytelling. Great for shorts, reels, and TikTok. It's like having a whole production crew on a Chromebook. Would you use AI to make your next viral video? Smash that, like if yes. Fourth, HeyGen's video agent makes end-to-end content. But the wildest tool, HeyGen's new video agent. You give it a single prompt, it writes the script, generates the voiceover, creates the visuals, and edits the whole thing. The result? A ready-to-post video. Zero editing skills needed. Key features: full content, pipeline automation, AI avatars with realistic voice, one-prompt story generation. Ideal for educators, marketers, and solo entrepreneur. We are entering the one-prompt, one-production era. Fifth, DeepMind's Alpha Genome targets biotech. Finally, DeepMind quietly dropped a monster. Alpha Genome. It analyzes non-coding DNA to predict how genes are regulated. Why care? Because this might rewrite how we approach medicine, vaccines, even cancer treatment. Key features: deep learning, applied to genomic science, predicts gene regulation behavior. Use cases in biotech, pharma, and rare disease, R&D. It's not science fiction, it's science now. This week proved one thing: AI isn't coming, it's already here, reshaping industries, workflows, and content creation in real time. So the only question is, are you building with it or being replaced by it? If you want a detailed video on any topic, just comment below. Hit subscribe, Tillera, if you want weekly drops like this. Comment below. Which tool would you use first?